Ever wondered how apps send you those instant text updates, confirmations, or even that sweet two-factor authentication code? Today, we're diving into the world of SMS and specifically how to send and receive messages using Telnyx, a powerful platform that makes integrating SMS into your applications incredibly easy. We're going to run through all the steps together. First things first, head over to Telnyx.com and create a free account. You'll need this to access the API and get started. Don't worry, the sign-up process is super simple. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API keys section. This is where you'll find the key that allows your application to communicate with the Telnyx platform. It's essential to keep this secure. Now, you'll need a Telnyx phone number to send and receive messages. Head to the number section and purchase a number. Make sure it's SMS enabled. Now for the fun part, to send an SMS, you'll use Telnyx's messaging API. The API endpoint you'll be using is the messages endpoint. Your request will include the destination number, the recipient, the source number, your Telnyx number, and the text of your message. Receiving messages is just as straightforward. You'll set up a webhook URL in your Telnyx portal. When someone sends a message to your Telnyx number, Telnyx will send the message data to this URL. Your application then processes the information. Finally, let's talk best practices. Always handle errors gracefully, implement retry mechanisms, and consider using message queues for high-volume applications. These strategies ensure reliable message delivery. And that's it. With Telnyx, integrating SMS into your applications is a breeze. Now you can build awesome features that leverage the power of text messaging. Don't forget to check out Telnyx's documentation for even more details.